Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are breaking down a VProp trader review and answering the big question everyone's asking. Is VProp trader a scam or is it a legit one? At first glance, VProp trader sounds like a trader's dream. It promises risk-free simulated trading while you learn, with the potential to move on to a funded account. On the surface, it looks like a standard trading firm setup. Nothing revolutionary, but nothing obviously shady either. But things get interesting once you dig deeper. On one hand, scam detection websites give the VProp trader domain a very low trust score, around 22 out of 100, tagging it as suspicious and unsafe. That's a red flag that definitely makes people pause. On the other hand, if you check Trustpilot, VProp Trader sits at around 4 stars with hundreds of reviews, many of which praise customer support, pricing, and their active Discord community. So, why the mixed signals? This comes down to what I call the prop firm paradox. Many users report positive experiences with support and the platform itself. However, behind the scenes, there are things that make watchdogs nervous. Limited transparency about how real funding actually works, domain privacy, and the usual prop firm structure that relies heavily on evaluation fees. Yes, the risk free simulation is technically true because you're not trading real money at the start, but the real question isn't whether the simulator works. It's whether the path from simulation to a genuinely funded account is realistic, or whether most traders simply keep paying evaluation fees. And this isn't just a VProp trader issue. The prop firm industry as a whole is flooded with companies that make most of their money from challenge fees rather than successful traders. That business model doesn't always align with your success as a trader. So, what's the verdict here? Well, V prop trader doesn't appear to be an outright scam, but it operates in a very gray area. If you sign up, you'll understand that you're essentially paying to audition for funding, and that funding is never guaranteed. If you're serious about prop trading, stick to firms with long, transparent track records and be very skeptical of anything that sounds too easy. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.